I'll get the chart up here thanks to Sam Trade. So I was just watching this as Kim Hong was talking, and it's definitely a point of interest where we are currently moving. So we did have the Labor Day public holiday yesterday in the US. So that just meant, markets were pretty uneventful. And really, if we have a quick look at the economic calendar with Forex Trading Asia, we can see that it was, relatively quiet. And then for today, for the US dollar, it's, quite clear again. So we are back down at a very interesting level, close to the 92 flat support zone. And, price is stabilizing here. So from a trade perspective, if, you are in positions and you're a little bit unsure, especially if you might have a little too much risk on, really honestly, now is probably the time not to be doing that, because there is a degree of uncertainty in the markets. And we could see, price float around here and dip down again. And you're just vulnerable to whipsaws and things of that nature as well. So from a trade perspective, when it's very quiet and lacking a catalyst, it's difficult to put together a trade plan. So in regards to the US index itself and a trade plan, I would say what makes sense would be a long, but I just want to wait for some more confirmation. So we didn't really see this carry through, and we discussed this yesterday in the currency call, and it just seems quite happy hanging around the low 92 region until something of substance is, injected back into the markets. And again, Kim Hong went through the NFP and what it meant, and he highlighted some significance on, the NFP number, and it's not as bad as it looks, but really it sort of surprised the market. So I think for now, wait till some stability is resumed and see what the US equity markets want to do tonight as well. The Australian market has been a little bit choppy, but that's simply because of the Reserve Bank meeting coming up as well. So from a trade point of view, downside is probably limited, but really you'd want to wait until, we flush out again, we collect a few stops down at the 91.90 to 91.80, and then another pushback is what I'm, waiting on essentially. But those are my thoughts on the US dollar. And just quickly as well, I'll just go to, you hear me refer to the YouTube channel a little bit. So I just want to quickly share that. So what we do have here, guys, this is the YouTube channel as well. I'll share the link again in the chat. So we've got the 4-day Kickstarter. This is the complete course. Everything is there. And I strongly recommend you. That's the first point of call. You want to watch all those videos. And then we have the analysis from the currency calls, again, posted each day. Then if you don't want to watch the whole thing, we have the breaking news analysis as well, from when Kim Hong discusses any breaking news events. We have the trade ideas from the call as well. And then we have educational videos. So definitely a lot of resources to keep you busy as well. People are in lockdown, maybe review it. You might have seen a few of these before, but now's the time to, have some efficiency with the time you've got and, make the most of it.